Hello everyone, so today we'll try to add some fractal noise as well 3D texture. So what I will do first, I will hide the glass, and for a fog, let's create another layer, fog layer. Great. Okay, so as an example, I will use this material. Okay. Christmas tree 2, and let's go to the 3D textures and the fractal noise. Awesome. So what we can do, can select our Christmas tree, or select the color just in order to get in the color history and click anywhere. Right now I have in the color history that color. Let's select the fractal noise, or probably I will press the tab and type it, layer texture. Awesome. So now we'll select the layer texture and draw on that texture with middle mouse click, volume noise, and out color, hook the color. Awesome. So what I will do next, I'll select this layer texture. This is our fractal noise texture. Definitely we can create as much as we want textures in the layer texture, but we don't need it, so press the X in order to close it. I will leave only this one and assign the color which was on the branch or on the stumps, or I don't know, on this areas. Yep. Great. And whoops. And with middle mouse click, I will drag our fractal noise in front of the this bark texture. Okay, and I will select our fractal noise and use blend mode, multiply. Great. So what we can do with that texture, let's go to the fractal noise. Definitely we can play a bit with the fractal noise, as you can see. Play with sliders, and simple like that can add variation to your this part of the tree. Yeah, and simple like that. You're adding some, let's say, details in your scene. Great. So this is for today's tip. This is it for us. Great. So this is for today's tip. Hope you will like 3D textures in Maya or in your personal software.